Well, hey guys, we are out on the property, and with property, a friend was out here playing around and slid off into one of the creeks. That's a pretty big drop. So we got the Jeep. We're going to try to winch him out. I'm going to try to fasten off to a big tree so it doesn't just drag the Jeep across, because as you can see, it is still nasty, icy. It's raining right now. It is going to be muddy. But we're going to try to fasten off to a tree, and then I'll double up on the winch rope to a pulley, and we'll snatch block, whatever you want to call it, a pulley. And we'll see what we can do. It's a full-size truck, so this is going to be difficult. But we'll see what you do, and I'm going to videotape it, let you see the chaos. Tell you one thing, this road is muddy, and where he slid off, it's very deceiving, but the trail is actually slanted towards the creek, and I've had issues there where it wants to slide you down the hill into the creek, and came real close to sliding into the creek. So it's one of those hills or trails that are very deceiving. But we're going to give it a try, see what we can do here. It's pretty much going to turn into a crap show probably, but we'll see. I'll get back with you guys.
And I was already muddy from work.
Alrighty guys, let's take a look at this real quick. It is a mud pit. And this trail right here is always slick. As you see up there, you've probably seen in some of my other videos, the pond is right over there where I got the Jeep stuck last year. So this is a good one. Holy crap. Holy crap. Okay, we're gonna get this out, ain't we?
Oh yeah,
all right,
try.
I'm gonna try. So I backed up over here, and because there's no way it would stay stationary on this mud, I'm going to tie off to that big tree and then run the winch doubled and see what it does. We're going to tie off to this big tree here to my point, and then winch her. Let's get it started. So, it ain't bad.
I always thought about it when I was younger. I have a GoPro. I honestly just thought a tree was going to fall on it tonight.
Oh, don't even say that. This gets muddy, it's so much easier to work. So when that clasps, it doesn't want to close and everything because mud jams in there. So try to make this a little more even. Something like that. It'll move once we put pressure. I would try pulling it out, but being that it's so slippery, I would slip and bust my butt.
That's what I was thinking. This is too
So it's easier
wet.
just to run it. This right now. Yeah, we're gonna be close. Yeah. We'll see.
I need to put the truck in neutral.
Yeah,
here.
I'm just tightening up the back strap.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Okay, there you go. Now you're set. Okay, put it in. There we go. Alrighty, that wasn't bad at all. Came right up. The only problem is it's going to be tough to come down this way because of all this mess here, and we got to get down that way. Let me back up and get out of his way, and we'll see what it can do. Alright, we got him down here to the flat. The problem was right up here, you can see the slant. I didn't video, I'm sorry. I am very horrible at that. He started sliding back down into the creek right here. So, I mean, you could see it is a mess. But I had to get up into those bushes there, up into some solid ground to pull. But sorry we didn't video, but we got it. And now we got to get the truck back home. That's it. We'll talk to you guys later. Alrighty guys, we are done. We're going to head back out of this mess. But he did it. Roxanne did all right, or she. And thanks for watching. I will get back with you on some more videos. That was fun. Talk to you later.